Hi everybody, so I will be doing a quick unboxing of something I just picked up, which is the DYSON GEN5 Detect Absolute. So yeah, I picked this up today from DYSON in Blue Waters actually. Went to get some heads for my previous Hoover, which I believe is the absolute, what's it called now? The V11. But yeah, I was introduced to this and I thought this is a beautiful system. So let's have a look. So that's the empty box. Keep that aside. And then voila. I'll actually do this on the chair here. So that's it there. DYSON. This is the GEN5 Detect it's called. So I will just use a knife to open it up here. Okay. Voila. This is how it looks on the inside. So for you to see. Again, like every product, you get instruction manual. This is the regulatory compliance and safety document, so I'll keep that there. This is obviously the hole, wrapped nicely in paper. You've got a seal here. Lovely color. I went for the DYSON exclusive color actually. I'll pop that there. And then another box. So what's in this one? Okay, you get one head here. I'll keep that here for now. I want the actual unit. So this is here. I like the fact it actually detects if it needs to use pressure. So that's just a piece of paper there. And then this goes in here. But before I put this in, I know it's got an inbuilt hose as well. An inbuilt, there you go. This bit I love. So it has the inbuilt, which is pretty cool. So you can literally, soft things up as well. And that slides like this. Okay, and then you get this beautiful head. And this slides in like so. And I guess that's it. There's nothing to remove. So this is the head for everything. On here it's got the push button. It's no longer a user. Impressive, so I'll keep that aside. Put that on here for now. Slightly bigger box here. Okay, with more heads. So you get this one. Okay, interesting. I'll keep that on here. I have all the heads together. I'm really not sure what this is. For this, well, you get this. Put that there. And you get this is the one that is perfect for the floor because it buffs the ground. And it's got the light as well in there somewhere. Fluffy optics is called. Okay, I'll keep that here because that's empty now. Put that on here. And then you get the third box. This one has instructions. You download the app. Okay. Scan to unlock your exclusive benefits. We'll look into that in a minute. And here is the cradle. So instructions on how to screw it in. Screws, I'll look at that in a minute. And this is the dock. This is what goes on the wall. Put that back there. Put this here for now. In here, the power adapter. I will leave that here for now. Just unwrap this one. The empty box. Okay, so I noticed it's a different pin here, and it's not the longest cable. Interesting. Okay, so that's the adapter, which goes on here. So that's the box empty. And of course, you have the heads. What are these heads here? Different heads. The extra brush bit. Instructions which I'll go through. And that's going to quite a lot of packaging. I thought they would try to tone down on all this packaging. That's basically everything. So for floors like this, this is where this comes in handy. It's got a good weight to it. For something I saw that was quite nice is the battery now, you can detach it. This comes out so you can replace the battery. Just put it in. And then you press the power button. And then you get the button thing. That's it. And bearing in mind it's all automatic. It's just funny how you see a lot of debris in the floor. And that's it. You can really work on the outside. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I will do my best to get back to you. And yeah, have a good one. And God bless, guys. Bye-bye.